Hello, people in the world, and welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. In this video tutorial, I will take you how to make a portrait video that you can be posted on TikTok, on Reels, or Instagram, or Short, or Likee, or anything that all social media that use a portrait photo, portrait video. So today I'm gonna show you how to cut or editing any video that gonna be output in the portrait mode. So as you can see here, before we're gonna start, we need to know the resolution of the files. That is what is the resolution, or what is the video size of uh, that generally used to post in TikTok or Likee or Instagram. So I recommend you to check out before we start everything. That is, I have one video here. It is an example. Now you can see it is in portrait version. It is in portrait video here. So if you want to know it, how much resolution does the videos are using in the portrait mode. So go ahead and right click on that, and you will see the property here, and you will see the detail here, and here is the resolution of the video. That is frame rate wise, so 120, and frame height is 1280 pixels. So to make sure that you are using the correct way of the portrait video, we're gonna turn back on the Filmora here, and on the top here you can see the file, and then click on project setting, and the little panel is appearing like this, and here is the place that we're gonna add, or we're gonna put it to the portrait size. So as you remember, it is so 120 pixels wide and 1280 frame height. So after you have been already setting up like this, you will see something that look like it is in the portrait now, and the frame rate should be going to the 30 of them. And then after you have already setting up this aspect ratios, so you're gonna click on OK. Okay, and now you're gonna drag any video that you want to edit, for example from the smartphone cameras, or any camera recorders, or anything that you should be copy it and pass it to the desktop. Just an example, it is a recordings of the video that we have already copied it from the smartphone, and now we're gonna drag it like this. Okay, and we're gonna add this file inside this Filmora. So we're gonna click on that and find the file source that you want to add. It is here. Okay, double click on that, and now drag it to this place, and you will see something that is appearing, is nothing appearing inside. Now I'm not gonna be so much longer, because it's just a video tutorial, so I'm gonna cut it out some of the part here, and after that you're gonna export that. For example, go ahead and click on the export here, and choose the file extension that you want to. For example, you are using an MP4, so you need to choose on MP4, and make sure that resolution is 120 and 1280 pixels. So this is the way, and you don't need to change anything or clicking on the setting or do anything. So keep that by default when you are in the expert place here. So go ahead and then click on export and find the destination folder that you want to put it. So now I'm going to put on the desktop, and the file name is put on my videos here. So now I'm going to click on export, and you will see something that is still uh, going to the portrait version, and it is an example for you. And here is the video here that we just already exported from the last video that we have recorded in the portrait mode. And you can also even add titles or add anything, just like style or affixing, just like this or like this. And you can add any title here with the portrait version. Okay, now I'm gonna test it again. Khmerue Team Official. Okay, just like that. And the color should be in the black, because uh, it is, if we keep in white, it is very bad to look, because it is a small file size. And you can also drag it to anywhere, any part, just inside this place here. Okay, now go ahead and click and drag it like this, or using an arrow key to place it properly, just like this. So, and now it's done. So gonna click on preview. Okay, now I'm gonna close some of the sound here. Okay, oh sorry, uh, I'm gonna close some of the volume here. Okay, now I'm gonna click on home again, and okay, we're gonna drag it to be much more. Click on home, and again. Okay, now we're gonna see here it is appearing in a portrait version. And you can also even add the watermark just inside the video also. Now I'm gonna use my watermark here. Okay, it is here, watermark. I can choose one of them. For example, I'm gonna use this one because it is my PNG format. Okay, now I'm gonna place it on the top, because it should be appearing in front of everything, every layer inside the video. So you should be put that into the top of the layers place here. And now I'm going to click on pictures and then drag it to be smaller to fit that. For example, I'm going to use this place to the top side of the video here, top right hand side here. And you can even add more shadow, drop shadow here. And okay, everything it should be fine now. And you're gonna drag it to smaller, and you need to add some effects or elements or anything that you want to do, like this one. This one you need to download this, because you need to connect to the internet to download all of this template or feature. So, and here is the style that you're gonna add to some animation if you want. And this place, this one, and now I'm gonna show it some more. Okay, it should be I'm sorry too, but for my bad English, but I will try all my best to text you. Okay, Okay, now I'm gonna find some more like this. Now before you add it, you're gonna add to scroll to scroll this bar to the place that you want to add some of the effect. So it look like this. So you need it needs to download because some of the files need to download. So, and you can also add the subtitle here, and here's the subtitle that we're gonna drag it to the down here. Okay, now we're gonna add it to any place, to the bottoms or anywhere that you want to. So this is the way that now we're gonna export it again, my video one, because this name is already here on the screen. So now we're gonna change it with the number 1 to add more, and then click on export here. Okay, and wait for the few seconds because it depending on your internet speed to render all of the file. So it can be take a longer time depend on your computer information, computer speed. Sorry. Okay, now it is complete, and now let's check it back again. Here is the video number 1 here, and then go ahead, and you can see here the logo is appearing on the top bar, and we have the description just so wing inside the video, and we have some animation that is appearing like this. So thank you for watching my video tutorial, and I hope you guys understand about it, and please subscribe or rate or comment if you have any question about video. So thank you for watching.